It's the last day of December 2025, and once the clock hits midnight, it'll be the beginning of a new year. Oh, Tungsten! See you next winter! Cool! Cool! Where's the turtle axolotl and the Optimus turtle? I have an idea where they might be. They might be outside. Let's fly! What's going on? We are here to inform you that the big bird is terrorizing our homes and eating our people. You need to stop him. Let's go! You guys ready? Yes, sir. Cool beans. Guys, do you know where sheep? I see sheep, and he's flying across the sky. Cool. Wow. Cool. This is really don't like. Oh no, the big bird destroyed the middle part of the bridge, and we're not sure if we're gonna make it.
Oh no! Oop.
Tell me what happened.
The big bird destroyed the middle of the bridge and ate one of our friends. That ain't good.
Oh yes, I know that guy. He's the guy who's responsible for destroying many of our towns. Including the turtles' visit to Newport Village. This is the biggest cake by Steve.
Look out, guys! The big bird is about to attack the village.
Oh no.
And he destroyed the town in Forged World Lagoon. Oh, doze me. Well, boys, let's roll, shall we?
Cool.
Before we move to our position, I'll probably just eat the burger turtle. Yummy!
Cool. Cool.
I wonder what's inside this cave. Why is our monkey family with the faces of the creator's dad? No clue. I think it's another strange addition by the creator.
Wow, we found the big bird. The source of trouble for the turtles. Charge!
Huh? What's going on? Huh? What's going on? Huh? What's going on?
Well, that's only the start of your problems. And you and what army?
I also don't like the big bird. Because he leveled my home. I also don't like that big bird too. Because he cut off the electric grid.
Oop.
That drone you have, it has a lithium battery, and you should know that when you heat up a lithium battery with plasma, it would explode. And this is exactly what we're doing with the turtle plasma carrier tank. And all you have to do is fly your drone on the big bird's head, and we'll sacrifice your drone. Fire! Okay, now I surrender. And I promise I'll never cause damage to your homes and never eat turtles. Apology has been accepted.
Cool beans.